Today, I'm honored to be down under, introducing you to the next air display. Ladies and gentlemen, I ask that you stand by as you're about to experience a display from a man who has dedicated most of his life in the pursuit of excellence in extreme flying. He's a two-time National Advanced Aerobatic Champion, and today is proudly brought to you by Paul Bennett Air Shows. Please give it up for Glenn Graham!
Shooting star into the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. I'm a racing car passing by like a diamond. I'm gonna go, there's no stopping me. 200 degrees, just like I'm mystifying high. I'm traveling at the speed of light. Supersonic night.
Glenn has been flying since the age of 16. The very next year, Glenn won his first aerobatic competition at just 17 years of age. During one display, Glenn will experience upwards of 10 G's. That's 10 times the force of gravity. Oh yeah, Glenn, show us what you got.
Supersonic man out of you. Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. Don't stop me now. If you wanna have a good time, just give me a call. Don't stop me now. Good time. Don't stop me now. Good time. I don't wanna stop at all.
Oh yeah. What do you think of Glenn's flying so far? The aeroplane Glenn is flying today is the Zivco Edge 540 and is designed for one thing only. The Edge has a rolling wind of 420 degrees per second and is powered by 400 horsepower, thanks to our friends at Lycon Performance Engines. It's obvious from watching Glenn fly that he loves sharing his passion for flight through precision aerobatics. Continue to watch as Glenn creates magic in the sky, flying the rocket ship that is the Zivco Edge 540. Hey! One man, one goal. One mission, one heart, one soul.
Kiss of home and you, visions of one sweet union, and a dark wind for every morning on his shows. Look like that got to my
Ladies and gentlemen, that was spectacular. Look at that nice side slip in there. Put your hands together for Glenn Graham in the Zipco Edge
Display, ladies and
540.
gentlemen. If you'd like to know more about this pilot or aircraft, make sure you check out the website paulbennettairshows.com.au. My name is Rob Ryder, and I hope you'll join me in one big round of applause for Glenn Graham.
One flesh, one bone, one true religion, one voice, one
Give him a big hand and a round.